That shit dead.
Pro my dead.
Pro my dead. And my wife gonna go to school tomorrow and go to our little kids' school tomorrow.
Good, it's good.
Yeah, that's right. Yes, you should.
Tails never fails.
Nope, it heads it is.
I'll take Rage Quarter.
I know Rich said something about you wanting to come to Philly for the shootout, but there's a couple people in the group chat that's bitch about you coming because your shit's like a pro mod or something. I don't know. I would love for you to come here, but I don't want to lose drivers over it. I mean, I already have 9. I already had 1 dropped out. But if you think Ant can get in it and you can come over, or you can come over and race the wagon, I'll talk to the wagon for you. Let me know.
So yeah, we're headed out Philly.
Yeah, we begged them to get into a shootout. I even offered Dell, I said, offer them to give them all the break. It's a foot brake overdrive deal, I don't know, 2 power hour, it doesn't matter. They wouldn't do it. I said, I'll put in 500 on top, like me. Wouldn't do it. And then I guess they talked to Dell a little bit more, and they're letting them in, and I don't think anyone knows that we're coming because they're all going to back out. And the thing is, the crazy thing is, man, I don't understand. This car is really not that fast. It's honestly not. It's just so well sorted out with the weight balance in this thing. That's what makes it work. It's the most consistent car I've probably seen on the street.
Right.
Whether, it doesn't matter what street it's on. So I just wanted to kind of show you guys, like, because we're getting some like, oh, it's race car, it's this, it's that. I'm like, he'll drive it out to Philly. It's 2 hours away.
I mean, shit, dude, we just dynoed it. Look at the dyno screen.
So I just dynoed it, and I wanted to see, you know, I didn't change the tune-up from Delaware. I made 802. And I took the filter off without changing the tune, I made 837. This is literally, I wish you got it on camera. This is what that thing makes. Now, I do have power taken out of it because the way I have the timing and stuff ramping in on it, so it's not going to show like our typical heads cam power, but I can't get the power all in on the street like that. So
exactly,
it's not really, it doesn't make a lot of power on the street. It leaves extremely well. If you notice how the car is set up, like we have put the time in 2 years ago. Well, you guys really all put the time in. Was just the brains behind it of what I wanted. We have scales. We weighed it. I wanted the weight balance a certain percentage on the front compared to the rear. If you look at how the car is set up, just to give you some little tricks, because I know everyone tries to figure this shit out, they can't. The front looks like it's a monster truck. The back's slammed into the ground. And part of the thing is with that, especially on the IRS situation, is when you raise the front up, when you're scaling it, it actually takes weight off the front, and the momentum of the weight transfer when you launch the car is already into effect, and it helps with the initial bite in the car. So I know all this stuff from race car stuff. Alex had a no prep Mustang. I mean, I no prep raced a long time, years ago. I was actually on Street Outlaws fucking 7-8 years ago, but before that all got gay. But so I know how these things work. I know, like, I'm at the racetrack on radial shit that's glued up, and we go 9 flat 60 foots and stuff that is total opposite, and it kind of all relates to each other. So this thing is just extremely well sorted. Now, I remember we did a video a long time ago.
Like, we're gonna put the spotlight on this bitch.
I'll give someone a free sweatshirt, send them a free sweatshirt, whatever size they want, or a t-shirt, whatever, of why the headlight's out of it. And I'll tell you why it's not out. It's not out because the air filter's right there.
Right.
So I guarantee you no one gets it right. But Steve can probably put it in there, and I said, whoever can figure out why the headlight is missing, I'll give you a free t-shirt. Well, no one got it right. So and I knew no one was gonna get it right. But I'll tell you why the headlight's missing. This thing is so well dialed in that headlight is like 12 pounds. So the headlight comes out to get that 26 pounds is about 1% of a car's weight balance. So if you're like 53 on the nose or 50-50 or whatever, to get 1% off to get from 53 to 52 is roughly 26 pounds. You know, so the 12 pounds helped me with about a half a percentage. They usually never give info out like that, but that's just one little thing about this car, how well sorted it is. It'll shave a half-tenth off the 60 foot. Like, it sounds stupid, but I'm telling you, 10 pounds makes or breaks this thing.
Yeah.
You know, so that's how dialed in it is, and that's how fast it is in the 60 foot of the street. So this thing runs the same 60 foot in the street that it does at the racetrack pretty much. But there is nothing special about this car.
This is if you pop the
It's
hood
a
on
heads cam, stock supercharger, regular export, no epoxy.
2 methanol.
It's got 2 methanol. It's got an old meth kid. He's been a customer for a while, since 2019, before he even had the machine. This is how old this shit is, man. I mean, he don't really have a lot of money in this car.
I know.
So
I know.
I can tell you a lot more people have a lot more money in their car and a lot slower on the street. So it's just,
Yeah.
if you look at the car, it's a little lopsided looking. It doesn't look right at all. You know, the right's a little, passenger's a little lower than the left currently because there's no driver in the car. So like that's how dialed in this car is, you know.
Yeah, and like usually like, right, if you make a shock adjustment, you'll have to like maybe take the car and hit the brakes a couple times to get the shocks to go back.
I mean, this is a special valving shock that we do. I mean, other customers have this valving. Rich, I mean, there's a handful of customers that do have this valving. If they don't want to no prep it, let's get the same valving. This was kind of invented on this car, really, for what we did with Menser. Menser never used to make a long travel strut for this new body stuff, and I wanted one. That's all I gotta say. I mean, I'm not giving too much info out about it, but we worked really, really hard to get this thing to work properly. A lot of our R&D is on this car. This one and the green one.
Yeah, for sure.
So he don't even know it. Every time he hops in, and I don't even tell him if we changed something. By the way, we changed this.
It's like he's just the jockey at this point, you know?
He's the driver.
Nice.
I'm getting old.
There's peoples, lots of peoples. Oh, there's Rich's truck. Okay, there's Rich. Yes, sir. Got some different shoes on the front now, huh? Okay, Rich. Switching it up. I see. Yes,
Drivers, where y'all at? It's got the dollar store. You screwing that light up? All right, y'all ready? I got 4 more of them. Two of them. We're top end guys.
You just need the top end, yeah.
All right, jump, you lose. Flashlight, he points at you. Cross in front, cross in back, you lose. Don't play hero, please. Just trying to have fun. It was a close call. Who's gonna call it? If he can't call it, it would be me. I'll be the last call. And
You racing in it?
I'm out. Yeah, I'm racing it. I'm out.
Yeah, you'll be at the starting line video, right?
I'll be at the starting line video.
So we'll go off of your footage for a jump if anybody
Yeah, that's fine.
Only your footage?
No, we could go other footage.
Yeah, I'm sure there'll be plenty of
Other footage.
Yeah, whoever's recording, I just want to know who's all.
Yeah, somebody's got an angle.
All right,
Do you want? I like that. Flagger, do you want
A thumbs up or a high beam?
Tell everybody how you flat.
It's up to you guys. That's what I asked. I didn't know if you guys want to. I figure high beams usually what everybody does. So beforehand, we'll figure out if you guys come to an agreement on who's ready up first. That's cool. If not, we'll flip a coin for ready up. It's up to you guys. Whatever you want to do. So other than that, I'm gonna point. I'm gonna have the flashlight here, right at my face level. Light on.
Is there any turbo cars in this? Just for you.
Maybe a beamer.
Two beamers in my car. Yeah, the beamer's gonna need to spool up right there. Like, look at George. See, that's what I'm talking about. Lambs.
Down the street.
Hey, get the fuck out of my face.
Lando.
Ain't no way somebody switching. It's further up. Somebody switching.
Man, ain't nobody switching. You're the two killers.
What happened?
Big Rich?
Yeah,
For real? That's a good race.
Anybody not like their call out?
That's the race I want to see, bro.
come on, man. Somebody switch. I'll pay somebody $50.
That's the. All right, two. We got two.
Right here, beamer.
Beamer's crazy.
Beamer's out the way.
Y'all got the lanes in the back?
Put it back.
The
Put
lane.
it back. Tell me what to buy.
Left and right in the back.
What you got, Mike?
Oh, they got three. It don't matter.
That's right.
That's you?
Yep.
$100 up for grabs. Anyone want to switch?
You got left.
Price.
We gonna pay you to switch. We will pay you to
You don't
switch.
want another Camaro? Run another Camaro.
I'll run you with the R5.
I literally pay you to switch.
I want like a brand new setup.
I haven't even done a street pass.
I want like I want to run each other right now.
Why you guys have the same tuner or something?
I just drove like 2 hours. I'd rather not race.
Give me a minute, man. I think it's the same.
We'll pay you $100.
I know. I just want one pass. I just want a good race, especially if I'm running you.
I do too. Well, you can run him.
We can get a break.
$100 to switch is crazy. You got the buy.
You can race for free and make $50. You pay for your gas.
That's crazy.
Yeah, you can run him. I'll pay you $100.
Bro, give him the break.
There you go. $100.
I appreciate it.
Thanks for you're not going home early.
Yeah. Are you making a pass?
Well, what happened?
I'm going to switch.
Alright.
Afterwards, if you guys want to run after, I'm totally.
I just don't want to race him first round.
No,
If I get him the second round, I'll give him first.
Or if
I don't want to race him the
if
first
someone else wants to step up and race you, like I'll run you guys after the shoot.
If I hold on, I would have just gone somebody else. We didn't switch now. All y'all would have said no anyway.
Well, we switched, but some people don't want to.
Who's going to say yes?
I'm gonna be racing. Oh, he put me on camera? Yeah, you on camera. That Mike RT. I'm with my white friends. We in the hood too, Southwest.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Look, that RT. It's pretty quick though. So you saying when